Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to download and install PhpStorm IDE on Linux. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and browse this URL and then find out PhpStorm. Click on this download button and then select Linux tab and click on this download link to download PhpStorm archive file. I have already downloaded it on my machine. Go to download folder. Okay. Now I am going to install PhpStorm by following its official documentation. At first, unpack the PhpStorm tarball file to an empty directory using the following command. Okay. Now create a directory and move PhpStorm to this directory. Now use this command to extract PhpStorm tarball. Okay. Now hit enter. It may take a while for extracting. Extracted successfully. Okay. Now you can delete this tarball file. Okay. You can rename this file. Okay. Now run phpstorm.sh file from the bin subdirectory. Now navigate to phpstorm directory and then bin subdirectory. Okay. Now run phpstorm.sh with this command. Hit enter. Now accept the user agreement. Then click on continue. Okay. Now select an option. If you have an activation key, select this option. Otherwise, if you want to use trial version, select start trial and then log into your JetBrains account. Authorization successful. Now start trial. Okay. Now close the license window. Okay. Now click on this settings gear icon and then click on create desktop entry. Now create a desktop entry for all users. Click on OK. Now enter your password. Okay. Now close and open PhpStorm from application launcher. Search for PhpStorm and open PhpStorm. Okay. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.